Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. In this video, we are going to configure the Google Family Link app. In case you don't know about this app, it is a very good app to manage your child's time on a mobile phone. You can limit their screen time. You can manage a child's apps on their phone. Similarly, you can manage what they see online and secure their accounts. You can trace their location, see where they are, and get notifications about that. The app is available for both iPhone and Android devices. So be with us till the end of this video. Thank you. So first, we have to install the Family Link app on the parent's mobile. Go to the Play Store. Search for a Family Link. Click on Install. Once the download is complete, open the app from here or open it from the app shortcut. Either way, open the application. The first screen asks the parent if the child has a Google account. In order to use the Family Link, the child and parent need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, there is another video on this channel. You can take help from that. The link is given in the description. If you already have a child's email address, click on Yes. On the next screen, it tells you to get your child's mobile phone or device and follow these steps. So now we will take the child's mobile phone and complete the steps. That is the child's phone. Go to the settings. Look for Google. There are many services provided by Google. We have to search for the Kids and Family section. And then click on Parental Control. Remember, these steps are to be completed by a parent or supervisor. Click on Let's do this. OK. Select your child's account. And then click on the Supervise account. All the next steps are for the child's parent. Click on Next. Enter the guardian's email address, password. And here is a detail of what the parent or guardian can control. The first one is that the guardian can manage the account settings and control the child count. The parent can block and approve apps on the child's device. Can control the location settings, which means the child's location can be traced. Similarly, the child's screen time can be supervised. There is also a guideline for what the parent cannot see or do. Remember, the parents cannot see what their child is doing on their screen. They cannot see the past searches. The parents cannot reset the Google account password of their child. Similarly, they cannot read their children's emails. They cannot listen to the child's phone calls. They cannot change the child's phone screen lock, and other data cannot be accessed by parents. OK. Here, the child would enter his or her password. And then click on Next. Now, these are the guidelines that the admin can follow. What is the admin's ability? Read it and then click on Activate this device admin app. OK. These are the default settings or the default controls that are applied. The first one is the controls on Google Play. What the child is allowed or not allowed to do. So the first one is apps and games. 12+ is selected by default, which means that the child can install those apps that are down 12+ but not above. What kind of books are allowed? There are some filters on Google Chrome. The first one allows all the websites. The third one allows only approved. The middle one is selected by default. Third is the filters on Google Search that the child can use. The first one is filtering out some text and links. The second one is that the images or the text will be blurred. and click on the Next. All is set, and click on Done. The steps on the child device are completed. Go to the parent device and click on Done. Click on Next. Allow again. Next. And that's it. For more specific controls, videos are coming. So, stay tuned to this.